Working into the back loop. This technique can be used for both knit and purl stitches, and is sometimes referred to as through back loop, TBL, in knitting patterns. Let's begin by learning how to knit into the back loop. Instead of inserting your needle through the front leg of a standard stitch, you'll insert the needle through the back leg of the stitch on your left-hand needle. Wrap the yarn anti-clockwise around the tip of your right-hand needle. Using the tip of the right needle, bring the loop down and through the back leg of your stitch. Slip the stitch off the left-hand needle. Repeat these steps for the number of stitches your pattern requires. You can now knit into the back loop. Next, we'll take a look at how to purl into the back loop. Bring your right-hand needle behind your left-hand needle so they almost sit parallel. Insert your right-hand needle through the back leg of the stitch from left to right. Wrap your yarn anti-clockwise around the tip of the right-hand needle. Using the tip of the right-hand needle, bring your yarn down and through the back leg of the stitch. Now slip the stitch off your left-hand needle. Repeat these steps for the number of stitches your pattern requires. You can now purl into the back loop.